Good evening to you, and thank you so much for your time.
Good evening, Bange.
How seriously are you taking these charges?
Not very.
Why?
Because, you know, these charges are very frivolous and completely unsustainable. But, I've categorized them into two groups. The first group, I really call them laughable because they are. And it's actually
Which
surprising.
ones are laughable?
The ones that have to do with cross-examination of people. I think
in the Section 194 inquiry.
In the Section 194 inquiry, yes, both. The two relate to Professor Thuliwa Donsela, and the other one to some guy called Van Lochrenberg.
And then there's another one to the chairperson.
No,
remember your remark to the chairperson as
yes,
well.
Yes,
so
that's an older.
Do you put that among those that are
yes,
laughable?
that's in the laughable group.
Okay.
And now those charges really must come from someone who doesn't understand how courtroom situations work, or how the legal system works, or what cross-examination actually is. Because the essence of that is that I was trying to discredit the witness. But then that's the purpose of cross-examination. Anyone who has ever watched cross-examination would know that that is the purpose of cross-examination. Now, of course, there are different styles. I mean, you'd know that as a journalist. There are journalists who might ask questions robustly. Others prefer to be conversational or laid back and so on. But you can't call either one of those a professional misconduct. I mean, I knew two cross-examiners who were very good. One was called Chaskalsin, the other one was called Bezos, and they had totally different styles. Bezos was more confrontational. Chaskalsin was more, calm and so on, but both effective, yeah. So that's that category. Then there's, before I even come to the second group, let me say this. If you look at the charges, you'll see that it's what I call a shopping list of concoction of things. Coming back from 2021, about 4 years ago, I think is the earliest one. The latest one is maybe 2 years ago, 2023. So, I mean, what kind of a regulatory body waits for 4 years and packs in some basket?
Does it not suggest they've been watching your conduct and possibly being concerned over time?
No, it suggests the exact opposite. It suggests if you watch your conduct and if one thing is not acceptable in 2021, why do you wait until 2025? I mean, that's ridiculous.